Today we're gonna do baked potatoes, and I know you have made baked potatoes before, but this one has one extra step. I learned this step from watching Martha Stewart, and when I first did this, my thought was, oh wow, I want all the baked potato lovers to experience this. We're using russet potatoes, 1 pound each. And before we start, I would like to emphasize safety first. I've seen a lot of examples of exploding potatoes. I even heard that it can also explode on your face. Therefore, keep in mind whenever you feel lazy and do not want to prick these potatoes, prick it anyway. Massage your russet potato with olive oil and sprinkle some kosher salt. Bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes for this size in a 400 Fahrenheit oven. Now we have some time to make the toppings. You can go for some lamo cheese, or you can enjoy this luxurious cheese that you grate by yourself. There is some technique to it. You have to lay the grater as flat as possible, anchor it with a kitchen towel to stabilize, and grate the cheese horizontally so that you have the longest strand of cheese. I learned this style of grating cheese when I learned how to make Cincinnati style chili. And if you use the smaller size of the grater, the cheese will melt faster. So grate it this way and you won't have cold cheese on your hot potatoes. Other toppings that I'm using today is beef bacon. I just fry it and then chop it into pieces, and some chives. Okay, our potato is ready. Let me show you first the normal way that we do it so we can compare. Normally, we'll cut a slit and we fluff the potatoes with a fork. I find that it's hard to reach the edges of the skin and you end up with lumps, and it's kind of hard to fluff 4 to 5 potatoes like this after you have seen this trick that we're gonna do. Wrap your baked potato in a towel and slam it onto your kitchen table. That's it. I'll show you how it looks like inside, but first let me show you from a different angle. Slamming the potatoes add energy to the steam in the potatoes, and it will agitate it so much that it will try and escape, but it can't go anywhere. So what happens is that it will fluff your potatoes from the inside. It's amazing. Look how much steam there is that tries to escape. This is the magic of steam power, and use it wisely. Now let's see the insides of our potato. Every bit of this potato is fluffy and soft to touch. It's silky when you melt it with the butter and cheese. No more fluffing with fork. This is just the way to go. It's easy, and I think for my next project I want to make a baked potato bar with a selection of toppings for a crowd to enjoy. I bet everyone will also enjoy this activity of slamming their own baked potatoes. Should be fun. And that's it from me today. I'll see you in my next video.